Students show their understanding of multiplication in this activity. They draw a picture for the given expression, write a repeated addition sentence, show the expression in arrays, create an area model, make a strip diagram, generate multiples to show skip counting for this expression, represent the expression on a number line, and write a word problem. Let's do that for 7 times 4. Multiplication sentence for 7 times 4 is 7 times 4 equals to a variable, total. Now picture representation, 7 times means there are 7 groups, 7 groups, and each group has 4 objects. So 7, the total would be the product of 7 times 4. So 7 times 4. A repeated addition sentence is again 4 is being added 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1 times 4, 2 times 4, 4, 4, 6 times 4, and 7 times 4. There are 7 rows and each row has 4 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4 in my first row. 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows and 4 objects in each row. Area model. 7 rows, which is horizontal lines, and 4 columns, vertical lines, make squares. One row, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Let's go find out how many squares are in 7 rows and 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 squares. So So 7 rows and 4 columns give us 28 squares. Strip diagram. One strip represents total. It can be this strip or this one. I'll go choose this one for my total strip, and I divide this strip into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I place 4 in each. It means 7 times 4 is 7 times 4 is total. Skip counting. So I make 7 blanks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I skip count 4. If I add 4 to this, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. So 7 times 4, I get 28. Number line. 7 times 4 means 7 jumps, and each jump contains 4 numbers, or consists of 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I start with 0 because this part is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is my first jump. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I land on 8. Second jump. 2, 3, 4. Third jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth jump. 2, 3, 4. Fifth jump. 2, 3, 4. My sixth jump. 1, 2, 3, 4 is my seventh jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps, and I land on 28. A word problem. I can pick any of these samples to write a word problem. Jill has 7 shelves. She placed 4 books on each shelf. How many books did she place in all? So the information is she has 7 shelves and she placed 4 books on each shelf. That's all information. And the question is how many books she has in total. Directions help students work on the activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations. And here is a sample that students can refer to if needed.